Good evening, first of all.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you? How about
And
you? How's your day going?
yes, ma'am, everything is hunky dory at my place, and my day has been going on fantastic. And what about you, ma'am? And how is your day going on so far?
My day was quite productive, I would say, and everything is going on in a good way. Yes. So
Okay,
we are
so did
meeting
you
very
take,
first time. Yes. Yeah.
yeah, did you take tuition today?
Uh, yes. Yeah. I took a short nap with my kids.
Okay,
It is very
okay, ma'am.
necessary, na? If you have kids or they are actually they also fed up in the afternoon when they came back from their school. So afternoon
Yeah,
we have to take nap with them after
yes, ma'am. Because
because
my daughter has
yeah, we have to recharge ourselves for the evening again.
yes, yes.
So tell me
Yeah, and
yourself, for we are meeting very first time. So please, could you introduce yourself a bit?
yeah, why not, ma'am? So, first of all, I would like to say thank you for having me here. So, as you know, my name is Pooja Verma. I'm from UP and I'm living in Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education and I am a mother of two kids and I'm learning and growing. That's all about me.
Okay, you are from UK.
UP, UP,
Okay, okay, UP. From which district in UP?
from Kanpur.
Okay, Kanpur. Okay, it's nice and it sounds good to meet you. And if I talk about myself, as my name is Monica, Monica Gupta, I am from Gwalior, MP. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel and I am a teacher by profession, and I have been working in this field since last 10 years. Before marriage, I taught in many institute, private schools, or now I am running my channel, and I am working my communication skills, different kind of things. I have been learning since last 7 or 8 months. I would say this journey is going on by the grace of God. Everything is going on in a
Yes,
very
it's nice to be
yeah,
ma'am.
smoothly.
Do you provide online classes and offline?
I teach offline.
Offline. Okay, it's a great, ma'am. So, like, you provide spoken classes and like you
In
provide tuition
school,
all
I
subjects.
provide I provide spoken classes also in summer vacation, in summer vacations only. Yeah, and
Okay.
I teach in school. I teach in a private sector.
Okay. So you are juggling so many things, ma'am. How do you handle everything?
Hmm. I handle this by very with a starting my morning time is usually becomes hectic for me because I am a not a I am a early bird that becomes me very punctual for my timings, for preparing everything for my kids also. So morning time becomes very hectic, and when my kids went to school, I also usually go to school for my actually with them also, and that is the but there are some problems, so we have to be managed with our family members also. I joined my
So,
joint family, so I'll manage.
so I think you are living joint family. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, right, right, ma'am. So like, as you told, you have a like a baby. How many child do you have?
I have two kids, both are son. My elder son is in first standard. He is now first standard, Actually, this is the first standard of from April onwards. It started his school, and second one is in nursery. He is in
Oh my
3.5
God,
years.
man, they are very small. How do you manage everything?
Yes,
I salute.
I have to be managed everything because yeah, this is the surprising thing that we having two kids and we have in joint family and we I am a working woman, so that is very
Yes,
difficult,
right, right.
very difficult.
It is not a walk in the park. It is not a walk in the park because you are juggling so many things because they are small children. You have a small children, and like small children, they always like mother have to take care them. Mother have to do everything for them, and they go to school also. Because I know I have a two girl, but she like one is 5 years old and she study in LKG. She is also very small, and elder one is 10 years old.
So how do you manage yourself? You are working anywhere or not?
No, ma'am. Actually, earlier days I used to provide like spoken classes, but now I don't provide anything because I don't have any like student. But let's see. Now I don't have, but I am improving myself day by day. And
Okay.
I think
So
when
you are
we
live in
set
a
the
nuclear
time,
family or joint family?
joint family, ma'am.
Okay. In joint family, I would say there is much difficult for the women, especially taking out some time for ourselves, right?
Yes, ma'am, because we have to do everything on time. We can't deny because if your like in-laws has gone village, yeah, anywhere at that time we can do according your time. Sometimes we don't feel like making something. We don't do anything. We shouldn't do. But if your in-laws are at home, so we have to do everything on time. We can't deny.
Yes, right. Because we are on the same page, really. And what's your name? Pooja, right? Pooja.
Yes,
Okay, okay,
yes,
Pooja.
ma'am.
So this is very important that if we are hailing in a joint family, so we have to be do every work on time, lunch and dinner and breakfast. These three things are very necessary in family, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am. It's very
kitchen
important.
time is very hectic time when we are going in the kitchen. So many
Do
things
you
are
have
there to
any
do.
helper? Do you have any helper and you have to do everything on yourself?
Actually, I have my brother-in-law. There are two brother-in-law, and I have my sister-in-law also. I am the eldest one in my family, eldest daughter-in-law. If you you can say I am a eldest sister-in-law, actually daughter-in-law. Sorry, daughter-in-law, and I like we have managing. We both are used to manage kitchen one time, and one time she cooks food, she prepares lunch, and evening dinner I have to be.
Yes, ma'am. Because like you have elder, but in my like you're like Devar and Devani, we can say, am I right?
Yes.
So they can help each other. We can do everything. But in my case, nobody help. I have to do everything because my in-laws have one son only.
Okay. You only one son. Okay. So, what about your qualifications, Pooja?
Yeah, I have done my postgraduate in education.
Post graduation in education. Okay. So you are
Yes.
learning this language, right?
Actually, ma'am, I wanted to do BTC and B.Ed. I wanted to do, but I had some financial condition. That's why I didn't do. But now I thought I should do something new for myself. So I started learning this language. It's been 7 months has been completed. Eight is running, ma'am.
Okay. So you wants to learn this language, but scarcity of time you didn't learn this language. So, how have you been starting your YouTube channel? How have you been
Yeah,
started your YouTube channel so far?
yeah, it's been, ma'am, 3 months. It's been 3 months, but I was not consistency. I was not upload video like continue. And because nowadays, I think you saw my video. I didn't upload any conversation video because I realize when it's come to video call, I feel comfortable. I can talk to people. I can articulate our thoughts very well. But when it's come to video call, I can't able to speak front of others. So it's a big challenge for me. So that's why I started. Now I had I think 10 conversation, but now I am comfortable for video call. I can articulate my thought and I can communicate to people very well.
So, for articulating your thoughts, you should do practice. You should do practice every day for
Yes,
articulating.
I'm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I take one session every day because I don't have plenty of time. But at least I take sometime one and sometime two. But today you are my second video call. One session I had a one session with Kirti ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
many things are there for scarcity of time. It is known to all that women's for the women especially they have no time for their kids or their responsibilities are there in their shoulders on their shoulders. So I can understand very well. And one thing more I want to suggest you, Pooja, whenever you go to your household chores. So right, this is my criteria, this is my opinion for you because I follow this process many times for improving myself. So whenever I go to the my household work, preparing dinner, preparing breakfast, whenever I get time I connect people by audio calls
just
because
same I do.
while we are working we can speak because our hand is not free but our mind is free. At least at that time we are working, while we are working in the kitchen, we can practice with our co-learners by audio calls, like 15
Yes, because
minutes. Yeah,
I do.
it is much
I do
better
because I
than nothing than that, na?
yes, I always connect to while doing my house chore because when I make chapati, while making chapati, I connect to people and I sweep the floor while sweeping, I connect to people. So I try to connect the people. I at least I connect two and three and four sometime because I have WhatsApp group. So I connect there and I discuss some topics, some random conversation. So I
Yeah.
practice like that, and
Yes.
when I am
So
totally
what do
free,
you
then
do?
I
What do
connect
you
to
do to improve your English? What kind of things or activities do you do in a daytime for improving yourself? Tell me.
yeah. Actually, mostly I try to connect with people because and learn something new from others. And sometimes I learn so many, like not so many. I learn new vocabulary and I use them in my conversation. And I don't procrastinate my practice, whether I am busy and I'm not busy. But I try to connect with people. I can at least practice for some time because by
Because,
practice you
yeah,
can
practice is
improve
the
yourself.
key. Only practice is the key of success, dear. Because we
Yes,
have no time. Actually, we have no time. This is true. But education is the most powerful. If you can use to change the world, or if you wants to take advantage of your education, you have to be
yes,
punctual. You have to be punctual. You have to be consistent for the sake of
yes,
increasing your vocabulary part, you increasing your communication skills, and uh, being a housewife and being a mother, we have a lot of responsibilities. There is no doubt. There is no doubt.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I am not consistency in my channel because we have to make like thumbnail and editing.
Yeah.
So many things we have to
I
do.
I got it.
But
I got it. Your problems because before actually in 2020 when I got married in 2018, right? And after 2 years of my marriage, I started my channel. You don't believe that I was very busy at that time in my household work, everything. And before getting married, I never cook food in my in my home, at my home, in my hometown, because we were busy only for study, only for education, only for teaching. Because I told you I taught before marriage. I taught so many schools, right? And my mother always cook food, and I never go to the kitchen. And after getting married, life totally changed. Life totally changed. Life asked for me, what you have done with yourself. Sometimes we regret that, how could I do this? Because my life asks me for freedom. Like, sometimes we
Yes,
get into in like so many responsibilities are there: in-laws responsibility, husband's responsibility. And after 3 years, I became a mother of a beautiful son. And in 2020 I started my channel, but it is not grew very well, because not maintain consistency. And why me? So it was very difficult for me. But after in 2025, after 5 years, I came back, and I again started my channel with great soul. So this is the time when we wanted to good more and more with ourselves. Because after 30 women's life will be started again. Na? Before 30, we are not mature so much. We have no any communication things. We have no any kind of like na experience. Life is very unpredictable. Na? So in 2025, I realized that I have to be communicate to others also, like different YouTubers. I impressed and inspired so many YouTubers. I regularly watched so many videos. So I thought one day, I thought that I would have to be do something special. So in the month of October, I started my channel, and with the grace of God, I made my consistency. And yeah, and now I have 112 subscriber. No, yet so
yes,
far.
ma'am.
Yeah, journey is very
Sooner
difficult.
or later you will improve, ma'am. You will grow in your life. Sooner or later you will grow in your life because YouTube journey is very long. We can't achieve success very soon if we think. And
Pooja,
when I like
you have to increase the volume from your side. Increase the volume.
okay, 1 minute.
Yes.
Now you can hear me proper?
Yes, yes. Now it is correct.
Okay, actually, when I because I am living joint family, when I joined online classes for like spoken classes, but at that time I didn't tell my mother-in-law because she was not agree for me. I can join, I could learn something, but my husband supported me. That's why I am talking with you, man. And he always supports me through and thick. That's why I am front of you. I can capable myself.
Yes, yes. Actually, there are one supporter in family, should be, because women always wants to support from their family members, from her family members, right? And if any one people uh, uh, like supports her, so she becomes very enthusiastic, and she becomes very motivated from that supporter. Support is very necessary in family. After getting married, women only wants to support from her family. That's it. It never
Yes,
asks for
ma'am.
anything else. Only support is the one thing that women can do everything in their life, everything. She face many difficulties. She face she can face everything, everything, obstacles also, difficulties also. But one supporter, at least one supporter can stand, always stand up in front of her. I
Yes,
totally
right.
resonate with your statement.
Yes, ma'am. And what is more important, grammar and fluency? What do you think,
Actually,
ma'am?
grammar and fluency, if I would say, both things are necessary, right? If you have done masters, or if you have completed your education, so you have good knowledge over the language, over the grammar part. Actually, like if I talk about grammar part is not very necessary in fluency. Fluency takes time, right? Fluency always takes times. 1 month, 6 months is not enough for the fluency. It takes like 1 year, 2 years, or more than 2 years, right? So you have
Yes,
to be consistent. For the fluency, there is only one formula. You have to be consistent in your practice journey, right? In your
yes,
practice journey,
ma'am.
whenever you get time, you should go, you should switch on your camera and record your own voice, record your own short videos. I visited your channel, and you are doing good, you are doing great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Oh,
visited your
yes,
channel. I watched your videos, short videos. Likewise, I always motivate myself from the short videos as well, and podcast, and the poem, small poem. We are expressing our views on that, like a
yes,
Shakespeare, like Shelley's poems, because I am a literature student. So I always like Shakespeare and Shelley's. These are my favorite poets. Yeah. So
yes,
I would say only consistency, maintain consistency, and focus the progress, not the perfection, because uh, perfection comes after the progress. If you
yeah,
start your day by speaking some small thought or very good thought or motivational things, so your whole day will be energetic and will be very productive. This is my own experience, because I
yes, ma'am.
always want to start my day from a small thought, right?
Yes.
So by
So
giving
I
some things,
noticed,
yeah.
yeah, I noticed so many things because when I was totally beginner, I was not able to speak. But after that, I have been following the consistency every day. But now at least I know how to speak front of others. So as you told, fluency doesn't come one day, but if you practice every day, one day you will achieve fluency. And if I talk about grammar, so grammar is also important, but not too much important, because if you use like a simple sentence when we start any language, so we need to speak simple sentence, but we don't need to grammar in initial
Yeah,
day.
we don't need so much grammar, like intermediate grammar. It is enough for the communication skills.
Yes,
If you have good command over the making good structure of sentences, so you have no any issue of grammar. You have good you if you have good structure, good command, the making the structure, how to frame the sentences, how to use the phrases, how to use the simple vocabulary, right? So there is no issue
yes,
regarding grammar. But grammar is so vast. If I talk about grammar, portion is so vast, we cannot learn 6 months only. It is not enough for the grammar. Grammar is
we
like a
can't.
mathematics. Yeah, it
Yes,
is
we
very
can't manage
necessary. Like
those.
it is makes practice. It asks for the
Yes,
it demands for the practice. Grammar is like a mathematics. We always need
yes,
practice in grammar, like a math.
yes, because yes, sometimes we know the grammar very well, but when it's come to audio call and video call, we can't frame the sentence proper. We make a mistake. I make a mistake so many while conversation, ma'am.
Okay, while conversation, you are facing some grammatical things. Yeah, right?
Yes.
So you,
Yes.
what kind of grammatical things like tenses regarding you are facing or making the structure? Tell.
No, sometime I forget. It's like making a mistake. It's like grammar structure. Sometime I forget, and sometime I how to frame the sentence. I forget while speaking. Otherwise, I know how to speak, how to conversation with people. I know, but sometime while making, I make a mistake.
Yeah, while making the structure, most of the people stuck or fumbled while speaking because they have no good command over the structure. So one
Yes.
thing you can do, because I also used to this formula, I always keep my notebook myself, because notebook and pen is very necessary regarding communication, or you learning anything else. First, you like you if you are going to take a session, and before that only 5 minutes, you should you have to write down is main points, main points, like any topic. If you want, like education is the very education is education, what is the importance of education in our life, like for example, this is the topic. So,
Yes.
before starting your session, you should do one thing. In your notebook, you should write down the key points. Education is very important in our life, because so many things are there. Without education, we cannot do anything. Na? Uh, yeah, what is the importance of education? Write down 4 or 5 key points and start the making the structure sentences, like two sentences of each key point, so you can enhance your writing skill as well as like your communication skills. And you after that, after writing in your notebook, you should do one thing also. You should just switch on your camera and record your voice, record your voice by seeing the sentences little bit, by seeing the sentences from your notebook, so that you can remove your grammatical things, you can remove your grammatical things as well, and you becomes fluent, you becomes fluent slowly and gradually. This is the solution
Yes.
only. Because now, if we, because we are not perfect, we are not using good grammar or perfect grammar, but we should do at least to practice writing practice. It is very necessary, which people
Yes.
cannot matlab, do not want to do practice by writing skill is very less found I found very less in less people. They are not get into in the writing practice, but we have to be, because I am a teacher, so I am very used to writing on my notebooks or my planning my diary. We have to maintain the diary of daily or weekly. So this is the
Yes.
only solution. If you start your day by maintaining a small diary, so you always you have a you have good command over making the structure, you never forget the structure, you, and grammatical things also becomes lesser and lesser.
Yes, because ma'am, when it's come to audio call, I speak very well. I don't feel any hesitation, and I can use all grammar according to situation. But when it's come to video call, because as I told you recently, I started. So that's the main reason also. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, it happens for everyone, dear, because like less of practice is there, and consistency is the maintaining consistency is very important regarding communication skills. Because I am facing like I have been facing this problem since last 1 year actually, and it's up to you how much time you indulge your practice, how much time you can take your practice, you can dedicate your practice. Okay, if you are good if you are dedicate, if you are hardworking guy, so you can do this, you can do this, and in within a 6 or 7 month you can learn this language very nicely without any mistake. So I
Yes,
have one
ma'am.
question for you, Pooja. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
agree that homemakers are doing so many things nowadays while retaining their personal life or their working life? Both are very necessary for them, because independent woman is the star of our life, is the star of this world actually. Because many, like a Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla, had gone to the Mount Everest, and on the over the, actually they can go to the moon. So why should I cannot do? Why should we cannot?
Women, women can do everything, whatever they want. But like startup is very important, ma'am, because sometimes what happen, women have lots of responsibility, their family, children, and husband. Sometimes they keep their journey because before marriage they used to do, but after marriage they keep their journey because some have like family responsibility, some another responsibility. But now you can see mostly women are doing job, like they are doing house chores and as well as job also. So women can do everything, but one thing, if you are hunger and enthusiastic about anything like language, any goal, so you can achieve. It doesn't matter you have time and not. You can do everything whatever we want.
Yeah,
And
but
interest also very important.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, interest
interest
is
also.
also very important. If you have interest to become a good teacher, to become a good communicator, so you have to be working hard, diligently. Yeah, this is the right thing.
Yes,
You have
yes,
any
ma'am.
question for me? So you can ask.
No, ma'am, I don't have any question because now I end up the call because after hang up the call, I will go market. I will go to market because I will buy something for my daughter because her birthday is about to come.
Okay. Is okay,
Yes,
her
ma'am.
birthday is today or yesterday, tomorrow?
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much for being here with me, and I hope you enjoyed the session and learn something new.
Yes, ma'am. Because when I learn any new person, I always learn something new and I always enjoy the conversation with them. And
Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Have a great day. Yes. Bye bye.
Have a nice. Bye bye.